In this video, we are going to learn Python. This course is going to be a series and more videos are coming soon. Subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our future videos. Now let's get started. This is HackerRank platform. If you are not familiar with this platform, I will keep a link to the introduction video in the description below. Coming to problem statement, they have given a small tutorial on print statement. Here they gave two ways. First one is to directly placing the string in print statement. For this we have to write our string in double quotation. The second one is to assign the string to a variable, then print the value of a variable. Here you can see there are no double quotation. We have to use double quotation only for string. Coming to actual problem, here they want us to print hello world. Here we need not to take any input. Yeah, here output should be hello world. There is one important thing. Always remember that output is case sensitive. Means here they gave H as capital and ELLO as lowercase. We have to always follow the same order. Not only in HackerRank, we have to follow it on any competitive platform. Now let's scroll down and code. Here they gave us a small snippet of code. I recommend you to delete it and write from scratch. Here we have to select our language. Select Python 3 because it is the latest version. So we are going to learn in Python 3. Now let's try in first way. Type print, open and close brackets. In double quotation, write hello world. Hello world. Yeah. Now scroll down and click on run code. Yeah, our sample test cases were passed. Now click on submit code. After all the sample test cases were passed, we can click on submit code. Yeah, here we can see our test cases were passed. Yeah, there are only one test case. Now let's try in another way, second way. Here take a variable called string. String is equal to hello world. Yeah. Now in print statement we can directly type our variable string. Remember there should be no double quotation when we use. Now after running the code, yeah, here our sample test cases were passed. We have successfully completed our first problem in Python series, but there is lot more to learn about print statement. For this, go to Google and type JDoodle, JDOODLE. Click enter. Now click on first link. Here we can see a ton of languages. Here go to Python 3, it was mentioned here. Click on the select all and delete the code. It is one of the best online IDA platform to code. Now let's say what if we want to print two strings. Say hello and world. First step, write print. First one is hello. Write it in double quotation, and second one is world. We have to divide the two strings with the comma. World. Yeah. Now let's execute it. Yeah, here we can see our both strings were separated with a space. What if we want them in a new line? There is a attribute called separate, SEP. Yeah. Assign SEP to a character called \n where it represents the new line. Not only in Python, in any language it represents the new line. Yeah, here we can see hello world are printed in a new line. There is another option, we can write hello and world in a separate print statement. Print in double quotation, write world. Now let's execute it. Yeah, here we can see, hello and world were printed in new statement. Now, what if we want to separate them with a space in a single line? There is another attribute called end. Here now ascend space to end attribute. Now execute it. Yeah, here we can see hello and world were separated with a space. Let's say what if we want to separate them with a character, for example plus symbol. Here we can type plus instead of space and execute it. Yeah, here we can see hello and world were separated with a plus character. Here not only two strings, we can add n number of strings. There is no limit at all. Now let's add it world, another string. Yeah, we have to keep it in double quotation. And for example, third string as learn it. Now let's execute it. Yeah, change the attribute to separate so that the plus symbol will separate the three strings hello, world and learn it. Now execute it. Yeah, here we can see hello, world and learn it were separated with a plus symbols. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys learn a new thing today. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts and suggestions, please comment down below.